Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Creation Arts. Today we are going to create an amazing realistic 3D burning candle, drawing step by step in the simplest way possible. So grab your pencils, colors, notebook paper and let your creativity shine. On an A5 size paper, draw a circle of 3.5 centimeters in diameter and then extend a straight 9 centimeter line. Now, at the end of the 9 centimeter line, attach a half circle measuring 3 centimeters in diameter. Now, draw a wick and flame as shown in the video. Just as the grid suggests, draw two lines as shown in the video. With the help of a red and blue pencils, draw a notebook lines to give an illusion as if the candle is standing on a notebook paper. Now add a few soft wax droplets and tiny wax pearls around the shape to create the realistic impression of a melting candle. If you are interested in 3D drawings, we have a plethora of amazing 3D videos on Creation Arts. Feel free to explore and enjoy them whenever you like. Now, using a grey colored pencil, color the body of the candle. Middle area lighter and gradually make the shading darker towards the bottom for realistic depth effect. Using yellow, light yellow and orange colored pencils, gently shade the uppermost part of the candle to create the warm, glow and realistic illusion of a burning candle flame. To learn more about drawing, painting, and many more inspiring stories, visit HemantKumarWrites.com. Add a few final details here and there to enhance the realism, and your beautiful, realistic candle drawing is complete. can use an earbud or a paper stump to smoothen the harsh lines and give a smooth effect for the shadow. Scissors time, folks. Carefully cut out the candle shade along with the notebook paper background that we have created, following the outline neatly for a clean finished look. Lo and behold, your amazing 3D burning candle is now ready to glow and illuminate with its stunning realistic effect. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this. Thank you all for watching this video.